What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today, this is just going to be a sort of ramble video. Thanking you guys for hitting another goal that I set. So currently, we just hit 700 subs. Personally, I never thought I'd break 100, but now I'm somehow at 700 and getting closer and closer to my goal of hitting 1,000 subs so I can start monetizing my videos and unlocking other features of YouTube that YouTube has restricted, since you cannot monetize and make money off your channel if you're sub 1,000. So yeah, channel's doing great, gaining subs every day, gaining new followers. For those who are not as familiar with the channel, this is Life Made Easy. Do tech reviews as well as tech tutorials or any kind of tutorials you guys want me to make. So yeah, growing really good, getting a lot of views. My biggest video is now like 133,000 views or something, and videos I've been uploading recently have been doing good, getting some good views. Glad you guys are enjoying the content, getting new people to view the channel, and getting old subscribers to look at some of the videos I've been posting, which is nice. Also in this video, I just want to reach out to you guys and ask what videos have I posted that you guys have liked, so I can keep creating similar content in the future. Just leave a comment down below what you guys have liked and what future uploads you want me to make, because I appreciate the feedback and I always take your feedback into consideration. And if you guys ever have video ideas, I will gladly post them. If there's any tech products you want me to review, that'd be awesome. And yeah, any tutorials you want me to make, stuff like that. So as of now, my next goal is obviously going to be 800 and then 900 and then 1,000. But my main goal is still 1,000 subs. I set out to reach that day one, so that's all dandy. Yeah, you guys can go check out my recent videos that I've been uploading. Been doing mostly tutorials just because I haven't found a good product to review. Stuff like that. I would like to be getting into the phone side of reviews, so if anyone can give me ideas on how I can get some phone products to review, I'd love to do that. Or any phone tutorials, let me know in the comment section down below. But guys, with that, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all to my new subscribers for joining. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure I hit that bell so you guys know exactly when I upload. And see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linker feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.